Hey everyone, today we have the privilege of checking out the new Spaceone Tellurium watch. Hong Kong is actually the first stop in the Tellurium World Tour where Spaceone is debuting the prototype of its new release. For those who don't know, Spaceone is a brand that's founded by industry veteran Guillaume Lede and independent watchmaker Theo Frey. Last year they came out with their first ever release, which is a spaceship-shaped jump hour watch. But this year they have pushed the boundaries further with a Tellurium watch. A Tellurium is actually a complication that shows the relative position of the Sun, the Moon and the Earth. And before it has only been seen in clocks, but this is actually the first time I've seen it being executed and miniaturized in a wristwatch. This is the new Spaceone Tellurium. It has two hands in the middle which shows the hour and the minute reading. But I think the most interesting aspect of this watch is actually the 3D orbs, which shows the Sun, the Moon and the Earth. And when you look at it sideways, you can really see the 3D form of it, and it actually just looks like three planets floating in the middle of space. The base plate of this watch is in aventurine, and at 6 o'clock you can also see the month and the date indicator. Visually, this watch is absolutely amazing, and actually when you put it on the wrist, the size is very acceptable. I think this is going to be a really sensational release. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.